my lovely foodies, this is CiCi. Today we're going to make Char Siu Pork Ribs. So first we're going to braise it so it's nice and juicy on the inside. And then we're going to put it in the oven so it has a nice char on the outside. To make the sauce, we're going to add in the fermented red bean curd, fermented red bean curd sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, dark soy sauce, rose cooking wine, and chicken stock. In a pan over high heat, add the extra light olive oil. Place it the pork ribs. And we're going to pan fry until lightly brown for about 8 minutes. I didn't marinate the ribs ahead of time because we're going to braise the ribs, so the flavors will go in during the braising process. Add in the garlic, star anise, and cinnamon. Stir fry until aromatic 30 seconds. Pour in the sauce and add the rock sugar. Stir. Cover the lid and bring it to a simmer. Turn to medium-low heat. Cook for 15 minutes. And we can flip the ribs for a few times. Turn to high heat to reduce the sauce for about 10 minutes. Place a roasting rack on top of the roasting pan. Transfer the pork ribs to the roasting rack. In a preheated oven, transfer in the roasting pan to the middle rack of the oven. Roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. To make the honey glaze, in a bowl, add in the honey and warm water. Mix well. Remove the roasting pan from the oven and brush the honey glaze all over. Transfer in the roasting pan to the middle rack of the oven and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius until it has a nice char on the surface, about 10 minutes. Our char siu today is just over the top delicious. It's really soft and tender on the inside, and on the outside it has slightly char. So good. And on top of that, this is a really quick and easy way to make char siu ribs, so I hope that you enjoy it. And in the past, I also made a few different char siu recipes. If you're interested, you can always check it out on CiCi.tv. So I'll see you again next Friday for another awesome episode. Bye for now!